In this tutorial, we will explore the process of making ice cream. You will want to take into consideration the process of how ice cream is made and keep in mind some important concepts, such as what happens when salt and ice combine, how much of each is needed, and what scientific terms are used. Before you start the experiment, you will want to do your research to find the answer to a few questions, such as which ratio of salt to ice will produce ice cream the fastest. A good place to start your research is at elm4u.org. There is a page under the Content Type tab that highlights the best ELM databases for science experiments. After you have read information about how ice and salt react to one another, write down what you think will happen in the experiment. On lab day, your teacher will supply you with the needed equipment to perform the experiment and determine what ratio of salt to ice each group in your class will use. Keep detailed notes about the process as you go along, recording the temperature of the salt solution and consistency of the ice cream every 5 minutes.
For the ice cream project, I did the ice and the salt together first, and I'm stirring it. And I put the pudding mixture in, and now I'm taking the temperature.
And what's the temperature?
Temperature is
3.8.
3.8.
3.8, okay. And that's going to be the 5-minute reading?
Yes.
Okay.
Doing 5 minutes.
Okay. And what's the ratio of ice to salt?
1 to 1. We're taking the temperature 10-minute mark, and we switched the thermometer around, and the temperature jumped up, but the ice cream still didn't fit. This is the 20-minute mark, and the ice cream is now like ice cream.
There.
This is the 30-minute mark, and the temperature is now 12 degrees, and the ice cream is now solid, and it's done.
At the end of the experiment, combine results from all groups and review results in an open discussion. Some topics for discussion might be: which ratio saw the fastest results? How did ice affect the experiment? And was there a pattern to the temperatures for producing the ice cream? And if so, explain the cause. What is the purpose of the salt?
It lowers the freezing point of the ice.
And would this work without salt?
No, because the ice cream solution wouldn't freeze.